Okay, I just got done troubleshooting some oil leaks on this 2006 Street Glide, and what I found was these bolts here were extremely loose, and I guess that's on the oil, I don't know, the oil feed or something. I guess this probably goes into the oil pump somehow. I'm not sure exactly on the flow, but again, these bolts right here were extremely loose, especially the top two, and I was getting a lot of oil. See if I can get it here for you, coming down on the frame, and it almost looked like it was coming from the pan. So here is the transmission drain plug, and this one is the engine oil drain plug up over on this side right there. So I'm going to drop the engine oil on this thing, put some fresh oil in it, and see how this thing goes.